So I'm first starting off with cleaning my brows, and I'm cleaning my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. I like using Chestnut to clean the top and the bottom of my brows, and then I'll go ahead and apply that same concealer all over my lid, and then blend with a fluffy brush. Um, so for the top of my brows, you always want to use a concealer that is the closest to your skin tone. You can use even use your foundation, but I just use Chestnut. So I'm just trying to perfect my brow shape. I needed to tweeze my brows, but I didn't. So I'm just trying to make them look as pretty as possible. And then I just used the same fluffy brush. So starting on my lid, I went ahead and took my Wanderlust palette by Profusion, and I used the shade Gold Girl. It's one of my favorite shades, and it's really pigmented. I packed that on to my lid and above my crease area and just diffused the color. I did not set my eye area, and if you did not set your eye area, you want to do patting motions first and then blend the way you normally blend. Out of that same palette, I took the shade Regal, and it's a beautiful, pretty purple, and I packed that onto my crease. I kind of covered up the previous shade that I used, but you'll see why, because I just want both shades diffused, and I wanted to use as much as my lid space as possible. So yeah, so I just went in with that beautiful purple shade called Regal, and then I'm gonna go back into the Gold Girl shade out of that Profusion Wanderlust palette. And if you guys don't know about the Profusion Wanderlust palette, I got it at Target. It's one of their holiday palettes for only $9.99, and it is a great pigmented palette. And the brush that it comes with is really good as well. So back to the eye look. I just packed both of those shades um, into the eye look, and I kept the brow bone area clear. So then I wanted to define the look a bit more, so I went into my Makeup Geek Carbon single eyeshadow. It's a really pretty, well, it's a matte black. It's a pigmented black eyeshadow, and I just went ahead with a fluffy brush and just diffused that black because I didn't want it too harsh, because most of us going to be covered anyway because I'm cutting my crease. So I just used a fluffy brush to just diffuse and um, define the crease more. As for my eyeshadow primer, I went in with a NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer, and I cut my crease with that. I did not wipe any of the previous eyeshadow before because I knew the pigments would cover it. So the pigment that I'm using is by Her Cosmetics, and this is the Holiday Trio pigment set. The trio set comes with 3 pigments, and the pigment that I'm using now is called Merlot, and it is a pretty berry shade. And then the next shade that I'm going to take is called Sparkling Rose. It kind of looks yellow right here, but it's like a really pink sparkly uh, gold, like a rose gold type color. So I packed that on to the beginning of my lid, and I kind of, blended that into Merlot. Then I went back into the Regal shade and applied that on the outer corner just to give it, a bit more color and a bit more depth. For my brow bone highlight, I went in with the shade Frappe, also by Makeup Geek. For the last pigment in this set, it is the shade called Yacht Life. It's a beautiful warm gold, and I applied that into the the inner tear duct area of the eye look, and I blended that into the Sparkling Rose pigment. These pigments retail for $12, but they are currently on sale for $8. As for my highlight, I used the shade Golden, and that brush that I'm using, a few of the brushes that I used are from the Wet n Wild Holiday Brush Kit, and this is their like tapered highlighting brush, and I used the shade Golden as a highlight, and I wanted to like be extra, so then I went in with the fan brush. I don't like using fan brushes, but I used it anyway because I wanted to use every brush in the set, and the highlighter that I'm placing on top of on top of golden is Crown Me, and Crown Me is like a champagne-ish color highlight. I'm sorry. As for the lip, I went in with my liquid lipstick by Her Cosmetics in the shade Violet, and that was pretty much the look. So I'm going to talk about the liquid lipsticks for a minute. They are very opaque and they are non-drying on the lips. They're very comfortable on the lips. And they are on sale currently for $8. They retail for $11. So if you are a fan of liquid lipsticks, please give my brand a try. You won't regret it. The prices are affordable, and you can use code HERCOS, that's HERCOS, the number 10, for 10% off your purchase at shop.cosmetics.com. So you guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. I know I haven't not been posting in a while, but my computer is damaged and I don't know when I'll get it fixed. So currently I'm not using my computer, so I'll try to keep up. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.